Good morning, students. Now, in the last Zoom session, we have discussed the different classification systems in kingdom planting. Now, the first, excuse me, the first group of kingdom plantae, which is given by the Whittaker system of classification, that is division Thallophyta. It is also called algae, right? Now, what type of plants are kept in Thallophyta? I told you those plants which are having chlorophyll and having thallus like body, thalloid. Now, if chlorophyll is there, automatically they are autotrophic, right? So, all organisms which are chlorophyll bearing, having thallus like body and autotrophic, they are kept in division Thallophyta. Now, they are largely aquatic. Aquatic means they are found in water. Clear? That may be a fully water or maybe a moist areas. यहाँ पे बेटा moisture रहता है. Clear? On the wood, rocks, where moisture is always there. So mostly you will get the algae there. Clear? Now some are epiphytes. Epiphytes means they can be found on other animals. Clear? Like sloth bear. And some are symbiotic. You have done lichens in ninth class also. Lichens, when they start living with the fungi, there is a group, algae and fungi, they start living together in a symbiotic association. So you can find in that also. Clear? In thallophytes, sex or reproduction occurs during only favorable conditions. Clear? If the conditions are favorable, only then the asexual reproduction occurs only during favorable conditions, right? And how it occurs? It occurs by the formation of zoospores and aplanospores, right? Now, what are zoospores? I told you earlier. And sexual reproduction may be isogamous. Isogamous means when the both gametes are same. You have to learn these examples, बेटा ये नीट में आती हैं. Clear? तो by the isogamous those species in which both male and female gametes are same, जब एक जैसे gametes में fusion होगा. And the example is some species of Chlamydomonas, right? Anisogamous when one is larger, other is small, दोनों gametes अलग अलग sizes में रहेंगे. We call it anisogamous. Clear? Fusion between the two. That's Eulothrix. And oogamous, in this case, one is very large as compared to other. Example is Volvox and Fucus, right? So you have to learn these examples. Now, algae is further divided into subgroups. Clear? इसको हमने और छोटे groups में divide किया. And what basis? The type of pigment. Colored pigments are present in the algae, beta. Depending upon those colored pigments which are present, we divide them into the different groups. Clear? And second, what we have taken, the reserve food. Clear? Into the three classes. We divide them into three groups. One is chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. Now it is very easy to learn the name of pigments. Chloro means green, clear? Rhodo means red and pheo means different colors, clear? So depending upon the type of pigment and reserve food, we divide the algae into three groups, right? Now first is chlorophyceae, clear? As from the name it is clear, chlorophyceae means it has chlorophyll. So its color is green, means the pigment found is green algae, it is also called. And the major pigment is chlorophyll A and B, clear? The main pigment which is found in chlorophyceae, that is pigment A and B beta. And the food stored, that is in the form of starch because chlorophyll is there. And if we talk about its cell wall, that is made up of cellulose, clear? So that is made up of cellulose, clear? You have to learn this chart. It is given in the NCERT book. It is very important. You will get questions from it, beta. The first group is chlorophyceae. You can see the common name is green algae. Clear? Chlorophyll is A and B. Stored food is starch. Cell wall is cellulose. And flagella. That is 2 to 8 and equal apical. Means all the flagella are of same size. Clear? And habitat where you will get it? You can get in fresh water, brackish water and salty water. Now second is you can get phaeophyceae. Now phaeophyceae is also called brown algae. Clear? And what is the pigment present in this main chlorophyll A and C? Clear? And fucoxanthin. Understand, beta? And the stored food is in the form of mannitols and laminates. These are the complex carbohydrates basically. And the cell wall is made up of cellulose plus allergen is also present. Not only cellulose but along with cellulose, allergen is also present. And the number of flagella, 2, unequal and lateral. They are present on the lateral side. And what is the habitat of this? You can get it in fresh water, clear, brackish water and salty water. Means the presence is almost in the same type of habitat. Then the next is rhodophyceae, red algae. So in this case, chlorophyll A and D is present plus phycoerythrin is present. The pigment chlorophyll A and D plus phycoerythrin. Clear? And the stored food is in the form of floridin starch. Cell wall, cellulose, pectin and polysulfate esters are formed. Clear? And if we talk about the flagella, it is non-motile and flagella are not present in case. And habitat, where you will get it? You can get in fresh water, clear? And some may be in fresh water and some are found in brackish water also. And salty water also, beta. So this is the chart which is given in the NCERT book, and this is very, very important because we get questions from it. Now, some more discussion we'll do in the Zoom session about the division algae beta. Okay. Thanks and have a nice day.